Hello, my name is Victor Hinge and this is my friend Quest. We are going on Wiener F School.
And here is 5 things you can do when you're bored at Wiener F School. This my friend Mads Liebmann.
Hello, I'm also one of the producers.
Step 1, table tennis.
Step 2, table jumping. Step 3, nice dance.
Freestyler, rock the microphone straight from the top of my dome. Freestyler, carry on the freestyler.
Step 4, steal fruit. Look at that bitch.
What's about the...
This is the last step of having fun at Wiener After School in this video.
Make popcorn and be weird places. And grow some fucking weed, man.
Subscribe for more. Hey, det kan være vores slutning. Fuck, hvor godt, hvor vi alle sammen bare går ned ad vejen og...